I have to come into the light so you can see this amazing plate. Hello Yella, it's Korma day. So first time also making my own naan. Normally, another confession, I just buy the naan. There's a wedding next door. We just came also to the river for a nice ski and we're gonna go ski again, so let it rise. First step, 1 cup warm water, 2 tablespoons honey. 2 tablespoons honey. 1 packet active yeast, 3.5 cups all-purpose flour. 1, 2, 3. I hope this is standard cup size. I didn't bring Agma's copy. 1/4 cup plain yogurt. 2 teaspoons salt. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. 1 large egg. Literally the last egg I've got here. Let's not waste it. Here we go. Is it supposed to be this sticky? Can some non-expert please tell me, is this normal? So I'm just gonna marinate the chicken. What you need, 1 cup of plain yogurt. Then you need 20 milliliters of lemon juice. 10 milliliters black pepper. Some salt. Cinnamon, 4 milliliters. About that. Nutmeg, 4 milliliters. And there's your marinade. Put your chicken in the marinade overnight. We don't have that time, so I'm doing it in the morning. Gonna make a chicken korma potjie. Like I said, I've never made this before, so I'm winging it. 600 grams of wings. So I'll decide if I'm gonna do more. Now I'm gonna do 766 grams of thighs. I don't like chicken breast. It's a bit bland and dry. So that's why we like with bone in. I've done 1 packet of wings, 1 packet of thighs, and I think I'm gonna do a half a wing and half a thigh packet. Don't want, and I'll freeze the rest, I don't want too much. Marinade time. Marinade time, going to the fridge. We're gonna go ski. Also me lighting the fire because I know they're going to be hungry. No judging, I didn't clean the fire from last night. But the fire is going to go and they're still on the river. Go quickly on the boat. I'm going to make the rice in the microwave. Just going to prep so we can have a nice oikie. Why am I in the kitchen and they are having a good time? I'm going to make a green sauce. I don't know what you call it. It's a green sauce, a curry, an Indian green sauce. Yogurt, cumin, ground cumin for the rice, 2 garlic cloves, 1 chili, lemon juice, mint, salt, pink salt, coriander, blend. Feels really weird speaking to myself, but I just have to tell you this one. I really enjoy teaching my kids foods from all different cultures, and they love curry, love sushi, love Italian, Greek, South African. Yet a culture to try that they don't like. 1 cup plain yogurt. 2 tablespoons mint leaves. Bunch of coriander with the stems. 2 cloves garlic. Pink salt to taste. 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. And 1 tablespoon of water or yogurt if it's too thick. I'm not gonna add the green chili now because I'm first gonna take out the sauce for the kids, and then I'm gonna add the chili for us. Gonna give it a blend. Voila, there you go. Kids without chili, with chili. Just got back from the last afternoon ski. Look at that African sun. Remember to sunblock before 11 too. I only sunblocked after 11. I'm gonna parboil some potatoes for the chicken korma. So I'm gonna peel those, put them in a pot, and then add them later. Out of the fridge, marinated for 9 hours. Naan time. I'm gonna oil my hands. The naan. Really just want to be outside, so we're going to do the naan also on the fire, and we're going to do the korma on the fire. Just going to add some oil and fry it. These naans are delicious. I am never ever buying store-bought naan again. I'm sacrificing this one because I'm hungry. Time to brown our chicken. Browning the chicken. Once it's been browned on both sides, I'm gonna place it in that casserole, and then we're gonna get the pot on the fire, and we'll show you how to do it. Now we need 3 medium onions, finely chopped. Eldest son's on onion chopping. Sorry, I forgot we're doubling the recipe, so we need 6 onions. So he's got more to chop. Oh, well done. We need 8 garlic cloves, 1 red chili. Grating 10 centimeters of fresh ginger, 12 stems fresh coriander, finely chopped. Other son's busy with the sambals. Tomato, onion and cucumber finely chopped. Finely chopped onion. Onions going into the sambals. Cucumber time. Finely chopped cucumber. Cucumber going in. Beautiful sambal done by my son Thomas. Some salt. I think we need some salt. Yummy. Time for the potjie. 60 ml oil and 10 ml mustard seeds. Now it's time for your bay leaves. We are adding 5 bay leaves. Add your onions, ginger. Now your garlic. Browning the onions with the garlic and the ginger and the bay leaves. Now we're going to add some spices. 10 ml cumin, 10 ml paprika. Coriander going. Give that a stir. Next step, 100 gram finely chopped almonds. Adding our chili and almond. 100 grams tomato paste. 1 can coconut milk.
Actually,
But I doubled the recipe, so we needed 2 and I only bought 1. So I'm gonna wing it with some yogurt. I've got some plain yogurt left. Double cream plain yogurt. Last step of the sauce, 10 ml cardamom. And now we're gonna add the chicken and the potatoes. Potatoes going in. Some black pepper. dishing up time. Start with your rice. Eat your naan bread. Your sambals on the side. Chili sauce. Now come to the korma, baby. Isn't that beautiful? I have to come into the light so you can see this amazing plate. Check out this one. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below.